Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, if you have been trading for more than a year, you must know that after the 20th of December, market is in holiday mode till the first or second week of Jan. And obviously, this is not the ideal time to trade. As you can see on the economic calendar, that yes, the holidays are starting from 24th of December. So we may expect some trading opportunities on Monday, but after Monday, okay, do not expect much from the chart of gold because market will be dull, market will be slow because market will be in holiday mode. It means the volume will be very low in the market. And when volume is very low in the market, okay, usually we see two things. The first thing is market will be dead. Hardly you will see market moving. Market will stay in a range. Market will form dojis, meaning tops, etc. Or the second possibility is market will show some unexpected spikes in the market, and you won't be able to find any reason also because when volume is low in the market, it is easier to manipulate. So if you're a beginner, if you're a new trader, then you should not be trading in this particular time. You should again start trading after first week of Jan because this is not the ideal time. For example, after taking a buy or sell position, if you see that there is an illogical spike in the market and your stop loss has been hit, obviously you will be disappointed. Your confidence will be low. So if you're a beginner, new trader, if you do not have much capital right now, then this is not the ideal time. Just enjoy the holiday with your friends and family. Okay, and if you want to trade, then do not go for a big lot size. Okay. So gold trades higher after a 6-day slump as the dollar falls off a 2-year high. After the weaker than expected PC data, there was little selling pressure on the chart of dollar or DXY, because of which we got to see some good recovery on the chart of gold. Okay, so gold traders, if you have a buy on the chart right now, especially as a swing trader, you can hold your buy positions. Again, I'm repeating, if you are a swing trader, if you have a buy on the chart of gold right now, you can hold your buy positions because the overall chart is still bullish. If we zoom in, we can see after this inverted hammer, okay, I do not talk much about candlestick patterns, but yes, today we can see clearly that after this inverted hammer, the market has formed a green candle and market has also taken support around the 100 moving average. So technically it seems that gold is about to show some upside here. I'm not expecting gold to head towards 2700, 2800. No, volume will be low. So but still we can expect a little bit of upside. So as a swing trader, if you have any ongoing buy, you can continue because the market is bullish. And if you're a day trader, okay, then you need to be a little bit careful because we can see a transition on the chart of gold. Why? Because till here, okay, it was clear to us that the overall chart is an uptrend and the current market was in downtrend. So day traders, okay, for day traders, selling was a better trading opportunity. Okay, but now we can see that there is a transition because market has crossed the previous high here. So next week there is a possibility that we may see some upside on the chart of gold. If we see upside, then the overall chart will be bullish and the current chart will be bullish as well. Okay, but still there is no confirmation yet because we need a proper structure like this. We need another higher high and higher low, then only we will get the confirmation that okay, finally gold is going up again. But because of Christmas and holiday mode, I do not expect gold to be super bullish. But yes, there may be some little bit of upside. That's it. Okay. So what are the trading opportunities here then? So gold closed around 2623. Okay, this is the last traded price of gold. So the market opening is going to be important for you as a day trader. Usually we don't see much volume on Monday, but for the last 1 month, okay, Monday market openings have been dangerous. So after a market opening, if we see market going down, okay, observe the volume. If you see market going down with small candles like this type of candles, okay, Then you can expect market to take support around 2612, 2616. These are the two support levels where you can expect a bounce of 30-40 pips. If you're wondering why only 30-40 pips, my dear friend, you need to be realistic also. In this situation, if you can get 30-40 pips also good enough, because every chart has a capacity to deliver. For example, in this chart, okay, if you set a target of 120, 150 pips, then obviously, okay, your target will not be achieved that easily. So be realistic, okay, and be flexible. So if market comes down with small candles, low volume, then 261 to 261 can be the support level for us, okay, because we can see we have FIBO 50 and FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Okay, these are not very strong levels. If market is low on volume, then only you can expect these levels to work. Otherwise, we can expect support to be here around 2585 and 2579. This is the only logical support on the chart of gold right now in case of a drop. Okay, Monday openings have been a little bit surprising for our last couple of weeks. So in case of a big drop, surprising heavy selling pressure, this will be the support. Okay, otherwise we should not see craziness in the market. Okay, there should be low opening only. And obviously round number around 2600 is still there. So on the chart of gold, we have three support levels. Here, if market comes down with small candles, low volume, 2616, 2612 can give you a bounce. You can buy it there. But if you see that, okay, 261 market is standing at 2612 with a big red candle, then obviously you need to use a common sense, cross, no trade. Then you can observe 2600 because it's a round number. At least you should get a temporary bounce, 2600. And if market comes down with heavy selling pressure, then obviously nothing will work. You can expect some support around 2585, 2579. And if market goes up, then 2655, 2650, the level that we discussed in a previous videos also is still valid in the market because of FIBO 50% retracement level, because of 200 moving average. It's a round number. So if market goes up also, we can expect day traders, especially day traders, can expect a good selling pressure around this area. If market shows price rejection from above, we can hit the sell button. You can see that I have also drawn a purple line and a red line. Okay, these are little risky levels. Okay, why risky levels? Because most of the time we don't see much volume on Monday. But still, if we see market going up after the market opening, you can go for a risky buy above 2633. How much you can expect? Same 30 to 40 pips. Okay, around 265550 you can expect 50 to 70 pips. But in these levels, okay, around this particular portion of the market, if we get 30 to 40 pips also decent enough. So if market breaks 2633, okay, risky buy, but if you want, you can go for it. And if you see market after hitting 263840 level, if you see market is struggling, then as a scalper you can look for a sell position as well. But this is also a high risk level. Okay, this is also a high risk level. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold for both day traders, scalpers, and swing traders. Okay, let me repeat again. So after the weaker than expected PC data, okay, there have been some correction on the chart of DXY, because of which we got to see some upside on the chart of gold. Technically, we can see that gold has crossed the previous high, and this can be an indication of an trend reversal. But the problem is that, okay, during this part of the year, market is very slow, low on volume. So do not expect a crazy upside, but yes, there can be some choppiness in the market, and at least the downside on the chart of gold should stop. If we look at the overall chart or the daily chart of gold, market is still very much bullish. If you have any ongoing buy as a swing trader, hold your buy position, because technically market is at a very good spot. Okay, hold your buy position. And if you're a day trader, then obviously you need to stick to the levels. That will be a better strategy. And in this situation, because of low volume, 30-40 pips also decent enough. But again, I would like to repeat, if you're a beginner, new trader, then please try to avoid, because volume will be very low. When volume is very low in the market, either market doesn't move at all or market shows unexpected, unreasonable spikes. It can lower down your confidence. It can kill your stop losses. Okay, but still, if you want to trade, stick to the levels. So the market opening is going to be important for you as a day trader, because day traders are or should be flexible. Okay, so if market comes down with small candles, then we can look for support around the weak support of 261216. But if market breaks it, then 260 around 2600 260102 we can look for support because of the round number. Otherwise, we have the best support right now around 2579 2585 area. And if market goes up, okay, then we can look for a buy above 2633 also as a scalper. But again, repeating, okay, buying above 2633 is riskier because we are expecting a minor breakout here, and breakout needs volume. If volume is missing, this may not work as also. And 2638 2640 is also a high risk selling opportunity for scalpers. Personally, I have no plans to trade around this 263839 area. Okay, I am not also buying above this red line also. Okay, I will be looking for buy around 2600 area. Personally, I will be looking for sell around this area. Okay, that's it. And on the chart of gold right now, the reasonable sell opportunity for data seems to be around 2655 2650. Okay, so be careful, do not trade. Okay, actually we don't realize that uh, trading has become an addiction for us. So if we do not trade, we feel very bored. Okay, we are unable to focus, concentrate in our day-to-day life. So if it is happening with you, okay, then my dear friend, you need to stop trading as of now, because your friends, mostly your family needs your time as well. You are staying at home, but if you're in front of the screen, you're not spending time with your family. Okay, your family deserves time too. Okay, market is not going anywhere, but these festivals, okay, they make memories. Because what is life? Life is all about memories. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.